Welcome to the ET335 SOP Karnaugh Maps, Part B. Oops. Okay, let's go through the whole simplification process here. So we have 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So let's plot it. 0, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, and 1, 0, 0, and 1, 1, 1. Good. Okay, since we have this map, let's go ahead and simplify. There's our pen. Good. These two are contradictory. Only two, right? The three aren't going to be two pairs, and this guy is going to remain as it is. So let's write it out. A, B, C, bar, bar. So we're going to have plus, and let's go ahead and see what we got here. We've got A is going to stay, B is going to stay, and C is gone. So it's going to be A, B, and the bottom one is A is going to stay and B bar. So we have A and B bar. Good. Okay, here's our nice drawing, and looks like we nailed it. Okay, so let's go through a 4x4. There we go. So we have a 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Good. So let's plot it. So we have 1, 1, 0, 0. So we have 1, 0, 1, 0. And we have 0, 0, 1, 1. And we have 0, 0, 0, 1. And 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, let's see how we did. Okay, looks like we got it laid out properly. So let's go ahead and simplify. These two are contradictory. That guy's by himself. These two are contradictory. And these two are contradictory. So what do we got? We got A, B, C, D. 1. And that doesn't belong there. And what do we got on the top? We've got, looks like A, B, D. And down on the bottom we've got, looks like A, B bar, C. And then we have a pair here, and that's going to be B bar, C. And D is going to stay. Good. I'm going to say we did okay.